Okay, as we open up, you can see that I'm in a project called CSC 201. This is where you see the name of the project you're currently in. And up there, I've got a copy of cdc.rdata. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to create a project and how to make this file available in that project. And this assumes that you're using your own computer. I'll do a separate video on the use of POSIT Cloud. Okay, so let's look at something. I have created a folder, just an empty folder, and I put it in my root directory, and it's called class demo, and there's absolutely nothing in it right now. Okay, so here I am sitting in RStudio. I click on File, I click on New Project, and I'm going to use that folder class demo for a project. So existing directory. I could have just waited till right now and created that thing using this option under Create Project, but I've already created the folder, so I'll go ahead and look that. And I browse for it. And remember, it was in Harold Nelson. It was in class demo. So now I've got the option to create this thing as a project. So I click on Create Project. And now I see that I've got the name of the project that I'm in is class demo. Although I've got lots of other projects, it's good to organize your work into different projects for different tasks that you're working on. So I've got all sorts of them. Okay, I'm not going to look at any of these others. We're just going to play with this one. And you can see that in the Files tab, there is a file called classdemo.rproj. Now, if we go back and we look in the Finder in class demo, we now see that it's got that file classdemo.rproj. This is just a different way of looking at the contents of a folder. Okay. So now we go into Moodle. Where's our friend Moodle? It's over here. And we come down here to where I've got cdc.rdata. Well, I click on that. And when I clicked on it, that downloaded cdc.rdata. cdc.rdata is now in my downloads folder. So if I go and look in my downloads folder, yes, I see cdc.rdata in addition to some other junk that I've got. So this operation will be a little bit different on a Windows computer, but on a Mac computer, I just click on cdc.rdata, and I click on Command-C, and then I go to my class demo, open that up, Command-V, and now cdc.rdata is in my class demo. So I can close that. I can go back to RStudio, and I can look and I see that I've got cdc.rdata. It's now been added to the list of files in my working directory. Incidentally, if you want to know where you are in your folder system, what you can do, use the command git wd, git working directory, getwd parentheses, and it tells me that I'm in users Harold Nelson class demo. So that, what you're looking at is the contents of that folder right over here. Okay. Now, to make cdc.rdata available, right now it is on my computer, but it is not yet available in my R session. So I just click on it, and it gives me an option, confirm load R data, and I'll say yes. And notice that what that did is that it actually pushed the load command, and it says load quote tilde / class demo / cdc.r data quote. It pushed that command. And now if you look up here in the upper right hand corner, you see your global environment. You can see that you have a file, or it's not a file anymore. Here it was a file, here it is a data frame. It is now in my global environment, so that means that I can work on it. So the first thing you usually want to do when you get a new object in R is look at its structure, str parentheses cdc. And you see a bunch of information about the thing. It says it is a data frame, and there are 20,000 observations of 9 variables, starting with general health, X or any, a lot of stuff. There's height, there's weight desired, age, and gender. Okay? So that is the way you go about making cdc.r data available in a project which you've created. Okay, so you should do that right now for yourself. Go ahead and open up RStudio and create a project and download from Moodle the cdc.r data file onto your computer, and then copy it into your project file, and it should look like this when you're done. Okay.